Okay, so that is about militarism. Now we'll see secret alliances. Secret alliances. What about secret alliances? Secret alliances. Germany once defeated France in 1870. 1870, the France was defeated. This is belongs to secret alliances. I will write. 1870, France was defeated. After that, Germany wanted to isolate this. No one should not support to France like that. For that isolation, to keep isolate this, to keep isolate of this France, Germany went to one alliance with Austria in 1879. Germany went to alliance with Austria. In 1879. Okay, this is called dual alliance. It is called dual alliance. What Germany said to Austria? If you support to me, I will give you which was occupied by France. I will give you the land which was occupied by France, Alsace-Lorraine, such like areas. Like that, Germany kept alliance with Austria. This is called dual alliance. Dual alliance. After that, Germany went to alliance with Italy in 1882. Germany again went to alliance with Italy in 1892. 1892. So here there is alliance between Germany, Austria and Italy. Three countries. That's why it is called as triple alliance. This is called as triple alliance. Here, if you see that the secret alliances are maximum axis powers alliances. There is a Germany with Austria and Germany with Italy. Like that, there is a alliances have happened by further to giving the support to protect Austria from Russia, to protect Italy from France, to protect Italy from France, to protect Austria from Russia. Germany wanted to support in this way, to protect Austria from Russia, to protect Italy from France, Alsace-Lorraine, such like two places are there. To protect these places, Germany coming to the Germany came to alliance with Austria in 1879, that is dual alliance, and Italy with 1892, triple alliance, three countries. So that is one of the alliance. Next here France here they separated here France. That's why France went to alliance with Britain. Okay. France went to alliance with Russia first. France went to alliance with Russia. France. This was happened in 1891. France alliance with Russia. France alliance with Russia. Alliance means agreement, somewhat agreement. Alliance with Russia in 1891. And next, Britain in 1904 came with Russia and France. Next, France, Russia. Here, Britain also joined with them. In 1904, Britain joined. Britain joined in 1904. Then what happened here? France, Russia, and Britain, they came to one entente, triple entente, triple entente. Triple entente in 1906. They formed as a triple entente in 1906. France, Russia, Britain. They came to form as a triple entente. That is also agreement. Alliance, entente. Alliance means secretly, almost secret. Entente means openly they will be. So this was happened in 1906. Like that, secret alliances. So the secret alliances, why? When there is a war raised, with Germany, if there is a war between Germany and France, Austria joined, Italy joined with that, and Russia joined with France, Britain joined with France. I like that. Like that, alliances are started. Those are secret alliances. We don't know which country have which country alliances. Such like this was happened. Secret alliances are formed. Okay, I understood. And like that, they want, when there is a war, they are ready to fight all the countries. They are ready to jump in that war. These are the secret alliances countries. This is a fourth secret reason, fourth cause, or provocation or cause in that long-term causes, common causes of two world wars. These are the common causes. Commonly, for first world war causes we can write this is, or for second world war causes we can write this is. These are things. These causes: aggressive nations, imperialism, militarism, and secret alliances. Okay, and now we will see that Second World War additional causes. Additionally, Second World War causes. These are four causes. Both these are belongs to both countries. I mean both wars. These four belongs to both wars, First World War and Second World War. That's why these are called common causes. And what about Second World War causes? Only Second World War causes: aggressive nationalism, imperialism, militarism, secret alliances, and Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. Versailles, one of the place. Okay, so what about Treaty of Versailles? In Germany, Versailles is there. Treaty of Versailles. So after First World War, almost the First World War ended with one of the peace conference. Which conference held in Versailles? In Versailles, it is one of the place in Germany. In Versailles, one peace conference was held. After this peace conference, the First World War was ended. Okay, for this peace conference, so many countries, delegations, important persons are attended. Nearly 32 delegations are attended for this Treaty of Versailles, this conference. Almost 5 big powers, they covered 3/4 population of the world. Totally the 32 persons are covered 3/4 population of world. Totally 3/4 population of world. These delegates are behalf of 3/4 population. These delegates are attended to Treaty of Versailles. In this Treaty of Versailles, almost big powers are there. All big powers are there, except 2 countries. Those are Russia and Germany. Russia and Germany, you should remember, Russia and Germany, and USSR and Germany, Russia and Germany, not invited. They were not invited to attend this Treaty of Versailles. Remaining countries they decided. Main reason they discussed, and they have started some terms and conditions in this Treaty of Versailles. And main reason is Germany for this First World War. Main reason is Germany. They decided main reason is Germany. That's why we should impose so many conditions and restrictions on Germany. They decided so many conditions and restrictions on Germany. What are the terms and conditions of Treaty of Versailles? There is a question. What are the terms and conditions of Treaty of Versailles? So very important question that is. There is, what are the terms and conditions? Two terms and conditions are mainly, two terms and conditions are there. Terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. So here, territorial arrangements. Territorial arrangements, one of the condition. Second one, military conditions or military arrangements. Military conditions. Military cuts. Mainly, these are the terms and conditions of a Treaty of Versailles on Germany. They imposed on Germany. Diktat imposed. Forcefully, they imposed these terms and conditions on Germany. Why? Because all the people, all the big powers, they thought, they decided Germany is the main reason for First World War. So what about territorial arrangements? What are the areas, which are the areas are occupied by Germany during the First World War? They should return. They should return to those areas. They should return. What are the places they occupy? They have to return from in Africa and in Europe, wherever, in Africa, wherever. What are the countries what are the places are occupied by Germany? They should return. That is a territorial arrangement. They have to return. The Germany should return immediately. That is one of the penalty or condition or restriction. They have taken Alsace and Lorraine, such like so many places occupied Germany during the war, from Africa, from Russia, from Italy, such like from France. So they have to return. Next, another one, military cuts. It is also one of the penalty or imposed or diktat imposed. What about military cuts? Germany were control their military strength. Germany should control their military strength. So how much Germany should control? They should reduce the military strength. Germany has to pull down strength from pull down to 1 lakh from 9 lakhs. Military strength is actually Germany 9 lakhs is there. It should control. Germany should reduce the military strength from 9 lakhs to 1 lakh. See that. That is the Germany has to do. And second thing, Germany was asked to, Germany was asked not to have any submarines. Germany should not have any submarines. Submarines. Did you see in Vizag there is a RK beach? If you observe, there is a one of the submarine is there, which are the ship go under the water submarine. So submarine should not have any submarine. Germany should not have any submarines. should not have submarines. Okay, and Germany should reduce naval strength. Naval strength should reduce to 6 battleships. Only Germany should have 6 battleships. 6 battleships it should have. And Germany, which is the military, that weight 10,000 tons only, less than 10,000 tons the atom should be, which is the Germany armored strength, weapon strength, the weight of that battleship should be less than 10,000, less than 10,000, and Germany should have a dozen torpedo boats, which are the boats using in the war. Dozen torpedo boats, and remaining should be destroyed. Germany should have dozen torpedo boats, 12 torpedo boats. Dozen torpedo boats should have. Remaining, Germany should destroy. So these are the things. Terms and conditions are there in Treaty of Versailles, which was held in Versailles in 1919. When it was happened? When it was held? 1919. Treaty of Versailles. After this, the war was ended. The terms and conditions are they are imposed, but they did not invite them. They did not invite. Germany was not there in that time when there is a terms and conditions are there discussed, decided, but Germany was not there. And Russia is not there. Why Russia is not there? It was dropped in the middle, First World War. Why? In 1970 there is a civil war. Revolution started in Russia. That's why Russia went to their own country. It was withdrawn from the war, and they went to its problem, his own problem, self problem. That's why they did not invite Russia also. So without Russia and Germany, they have decided the conference and they signed. That is a Treaty of Versailles. That's why Germany got angry. Germany don't wanted to follow what are the terms and conditions are given by Treaty of Versailles. That is also reason Hitler came here. That is also reason for Second War. It leads to Second World War. That's the Treaty of Versailles. One of the reason. Another reason is that League of Nations. What is League of Nations? After First World War, who are the people attended to Treaty of Versailles? In the Treaty of Versailles, they decided to want to establish one organization for collective security. For collective security and to reduce the disputes between to settle the disputes between the countries. To settle the disputes between the countries, and for collective security, we should establish one organization. We should establish one organization. They have decided that organization is League of Nations. That organization is League of Nations. Okay, the League of Nations was established in 1920, proposed by Woodrow Wilson. Proposed by Woodrow Wilson. Proposed by Woodrow Wilson, who was a former president of America. He was proposed to establish a League of Nations. Okay, League of Nations was established, but it was failed. Actually, in the League of Nations, all the countries which are the countries are attended to Treaty of Versailles, all countries are joined. All countries are to membership. There is but which is the country proposed to establish to form League of Nations? America it was not a member of League of Nations. Why? The American Congress means parliament. In our India we will say parliament. In America we will say Congress. Congress was not accepted to be a member of League of Nations. That's why America could not become a member of League of Nations. But it was the president is main reason for establishing League of Nations. League of Nations established, and up to 1934 there is nearly 58 members took membership in League of Nations. 1932 58 members are as a member, 58 members in this League of Nations. And in that League of Nations 1934 58 members took membership in League of Nations up to 1934. And League of Nations also see that welfare of the people. For that welfare, health and welfare, they were established International Labour Organization and WHO, World Health Organization. These are established. And also International Court of Justice. It was also established. International Court of Justice was also established. Okay, these all the things are established. But League of Nations unable to control the wars, unable to control the Germany and Italy, unable to control Hitler. That's why it was failed. League of Nations was failed. That is also one of the reason for Second World War. And another reason we'll discuss next class. Okay, thank you.